Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Let's build our own empire with money. So it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be explaining, I'll be answering to your questions about whether is Brave browser safe or not. And This video is actually meant to answer the questions which you guys asked in the previous videos. In my previous videos, I have showed you guys how to earn money just by not doing anything, just by surfing the internet like you always do. You'll be able to earn money. As you can see over here, we'll be able to earn money just by surfing the internet as we use. And in my previous videos, I showed you how to earn money and how to integrate or connect our Brave to the custodial wallets and how to withdraw our money to our bank accounts. So in those previous videos, you guys asked me that whether the whether Brave is safe to use, and you guys asked for a review of Brave. So I thought, why not, let's make a video on whether is Brave safe or not. So this video is about the Brave browser review and the Brave rewards review. So guys, if you have not yet watched my previous videos on Brave and how to earn money using Brave, I'll leave those videos link in the description and I'll pin it in the first comment, and you can just go check it out on how to earn using Brave browser and Brave rewards, and how to withdraw it to your bank account directly, etc. So guys, let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video of the Brave review. So first of all, Brave is a browser, okay, so which mainly focuses on your privacy or security. They also gives you additional features such as trackers and ad blockers by default. As this line symbol over here is the Brave symbol, and this actually blocks the trackers and ads by default. They also say that they help you in saving your bandwidth, that is your internet connection. They help you saving the bandwidth, and they also help you saving your page loading time. For example, I am searching for youtube.com. It takes for about like 5 seconds to load. Let's just take an example of it's taking 5 seconds to load. Right now my internet connection is a bit slow, so it's taking a bit more time, but for example it takes 5 seconds to load. They say that by using the Brave, they help you load the pages faster. Okay, so and the Brave review, first of all, I do not, between the Chrome and Brave, I'm using this Brave browser for about a year, and in the previous year, yes, the Brave is faster, but compared to Google, they provide the same time, I guess. But the feature which I love the most is their trackers and ad blockers. Whenever I visit a website, I do not get any ads. All the ads are blocked by default, so it is helpful for me in a lot of ways. And the next thing which I love in the Brave is the Brave rewards over here. The Brave rewards actually pays you for just surfing the net. How it works is that, for example, they actually block all the ads by default, but if you enable Brave rewards, what they do is that they give you ads on either new page, such as this is a new page, and in the new page you get ads such as okay, this is an advertisement. Okay, so if I click this, I'm going to redirect it to the live.io page. So this is an advertisement. As you can see, from 14 to 15 it has been changed. So they pay you for the new page ads which you see in your new page, or they send you advertisements as notifications over here. The notifications, but you get advertisements as notifications, so it's not going to interrupt you in your while you're watching a video, etc. But it's going to stay in your notification bar, and they pay you for those ads, and they pay you a share of the ad revenue which they receive from the advertiser. For example, they receive about $1 for an advertisement. This is purely hypothetical. They do not receive $1, but let's say they receive it's going to be a pay-per-click ad. So if I click this ad, they get $1. In the dollar, what they're going to do is that they're going to pay you in $1. They're going to pay you, I guess, 20 to 30 cents they're going to pay you a share of their revenue. So it enables us to earn money by by not doing anything. 20 to 30 cents, 20 to 30% of that revenue may not be much, but it's still going to help you a lot. It enables you to monetize your free time. Okay, that is going to provide you, if you are a person who surfs the internet for a lot of time, then let's say I get about I have set my maximum ad per hour as 10 per hour, but let's say you receive 6 ads per hour. For each ad you receive 2 cents, so it's going to be $1.2 per hour. So I love this feature in Brave Rewards. They pay you as BAT, and BATs right now BAT, that is the Brave Attention Token. Its value is less, so it's only approximately 2.113 BAT, is approximately 0.37 USD. But when the market rises again, the value is going to be increased once again. So that is actually basic attention token is like share. Okay, so it is a crypto. I'll not be explaining any more of this. If you want more, you just leave it in the comment section. I'll make a separate video on that. And the next feature which I like the most is the wallet. The wallet is actually, I will first unlock my wallet. The wallet is actually a Web3 wallet which enables you to save your crypto assets. The wallet is similar to MetaMask wallet, but it is this wallet is by default integrated in the Brave browser. Okay, so this is a feature I love personally in the Brave browser. But if you're not into the if you're not into the NFT world, if you're not into the crypto world, it's a feature which you do not want. The next answer to your question is whether the Brave browser is safe or not. Yes, according to me, the Brave is much more secure than Google Chrome or some other browsers, as they have customization options, and they have their own private window. And in the private window too, the ads are going to get blocked, and they have the Tor integrated with the private window. So if you're here, we could right now, as you can see my screen, the Tor is being connected. I do not want Tor right now, so I'll just close the window. As for the search engine used, you could set your search engine. By default, I guess Brave or DuckDuckGo is going to be a search engine. You could choose your search engine for normal window and for private window. Then you could use Brave, DuckDuckGo, or Startpage. All three are safe search engines which do not track and which helps you maintain your privacy. Okay, so and as for the extension, I'll show you guys. The extension feature is the same as the Chrome extensions, and if you click on the extension over here, you're just going to be redirected to the Chrome web store. Okay, so there is no change going to be in the extensions page between the Chrome and the Brave browser. If you are a Web3 user, this wallet is going to help you a lot. Okay, so that is the thing. And the autofill, the passwords, etc. is just the same as in the Chrome. So guys, as for the review, the Brave is safe to use, and you can just use it as your default search engine. Right now my default search engine is Brave browser, and you guys can also use the Brave as your default search engine. There is not going to be any issue. They empathize on your privacy and security, so you can trust them and use it. And along with the privacy and security, they also enable you to monetize your search. They are not going to monetize your searches, but they give you a way to earn using the Brave rewards. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can just shift to Brave if you want a safe search browsing experience with the same Google's Chrome interface. Okay, so guys, I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did enjoy this video, just go click on thumbs up button below this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to the subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye.